trying to see. I got it. The mid mufflers took off at another shop, but when I was driving, I hear something like I hear it's the muffler. I can hear it like shaking. I don't know if y'all could check it and see if like if they even did it right or what. San Pedro. Get it done. Yeah, like I was telling them, I got the mid mufflers deleted at another shop, but when I'm driving, I could hear it sound like it's shaking or rattling, like, and it never made it before until I got that done. I was like, man. They didn't weld it right?
No, somehow they just didn't position it right. Right up against the body it is. It's touching, it's hitting your shield.
Oh, okay, okay.
It's to come down.
I mean, they would have did it right in the first place.
Here it is. And they put new hangers on it. Probably what they did when they welded it, they had a stand. And when they had their stand, they had it up too high and they welded it in that position instead of having it relaxed.
Okay.
Is what they did.
They just didn't do it right. That's what they did. That's
Yeah.
And would y'all be able to fix that?
Might be able to heat the pipes a little bit. Probably. We probably got to heat it in a couple areas.
Well, I mean, if y'all gotta redo it, I'll pay y'all to redo it. Or how much would y'all charge to redo it?
And we're gonna try and heat it first.
Okay. Okay. I'll let y'all. Yeah.
We'll try to heat it first for you.
Okay. Thank you. They just kind of shape it in place. Because when they said when they did it, the exhaust was supposed to be straight. But when they did it, he thinks they had like a one of these things right here to hold the exhaust up. While it was holding it up, it was pushing it this way. And when they welded it and they took the thing off, it stayed like that, you know. They put it when it was supposed to be.
good now, man.
Oh man, I appreciate it.
And what they did, like I say, once they broke the pipes in, they had to stand. And they had the system up too high.
So it's pushing it up.
Place,
yeah.
it stayed there.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, I did it. I went over to the south side of Hernandez, but
Yeah.
oh man, I don't know. And I was gonna ask you another question. Not now, but later. How much did that charge to remove the rear mufflers?
To get rid of them,
Just a straight pipe right there, the both in ones.
it'll be super loud. Is it 6.4?
6.2. Sorry, yeah.
Yeah. You want to reuse the tailpipe? I mean the tips.
Probably just to keep it the same look.
I got
you know,
you.
yeah.
I got you. Probably want to get about 200.
All right, that'll be perfect.
About $100 a side.
I'll come by soon.
Okay.
Yeah, because I did those. I just wanted to see how it sounds for now. And I think I want it a little bit louder.
A little bit louder?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, for what we did today, just like $30.
I got you, man. Thank you.
No problem. You need a receipt?
No.
Okay.
They're a little extra. I don't know if you have to split it or
Okay.
not.
Appreciate you, man.
Thank you, man.
All right, take care.
Thank you. Thank y'all. Yes, sir. Y'all have a blessed day. Yes, sir. Getting her right. Getting her right. Thank you, boss. Back at it again. Yes, sir. Just got the car exhaust fixed. I recently took her to Hernandez tire shop over here on the south side on Pleasanton to get the mid mufflers deleted. And I mean, at first it sounded good. I didn't hear no rattling or nothing. And then recently when I was driving it, I started hearing a rattle or shake. So took her to her exhaust centers over there on San Pedro's, and she did it right. Got her fixed. She sounds good. No more rattling. No more shaking. Yes, sir. Let me go ahead and show you how she sounds from the outside. Exhaust centers, San Pedro and San Antonio, Texas, they get it right. Sir. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. It's beautiful. I appreciate everybody watching. See y'all on the next one.